Hey guys, welcome back to FoodTech Journey. Today we will be learning about milling. Have you ever wondered how grains turn into flour that we use in our kitchen daily? Today we are exploring the fascinating world of milling. So without further wasting time, let's start. In milling, the purpose is to separate and process grains into flour or other products, enhancing shelf life and usability. The key grains that are used in milling are rice, maize, and wheat, as these are processed globally for diverse food products. Starting with rice milling process. So in rice milling process, we are transforming the harvested paddy into polished white rice. First, we remove impurities like stones, dust, and husk, and stones to ensure clean grains. After this step, dehusking process takes place where we remove the outer husk revealing brown rice. This can be done using rubber rollers or our traditional stone dehullers. Next, the rice goes for paddy separation, where we are separating the unhulled paddy from brown rice. Next, the rice goes through polishing, where the bran layer is removed to produce white rice. But did you know brown rice is simply rice with bran layer intact? After polishing, the rice is sorted by size and quality to ensure uniform grains. Finally, it's packed and ready for consumption. It is packed to prevent moisture reabsorption. The byproducts that are derived from this process are husk, bran that are used in animal feed and oil extraction. These are some products from rice milling: white rice, parboiled rice, brown rice, and rice flour that can be used for numerous food products. Now, let's learn about maize milling. Maize milling is essential for making flour, cornmeal, and even tortillas. It starts from cleaning, removing husk, dust, and foreign materials. Next, the grains are conditioned. Here we are providing moisture to soften the bran for easier removal. This step is really crucial for the effectiveness of the process. Here, after conditioning the product, it will go for regermination, where we will separate the germ and bran from endosperm. As you can see from this diagram, this is the endosperm part and this is germ. Here we are removing this bran layer. We can do two types of milling methods. First is dry milling, another is wet milling. In dry milling, husk and bran are derived, which can be used for animal feed and oil extraction. But in wet milling method, the kernels are soaked to separate starch, germ, fiber, and protein. So these four products are derived from wet milling method. So after grinding, maize flour is sifted and classified based on texture. So the coarse grits, these are the coarse grits, are used for dishes like polenta, while fine flour is perfect for tortillas. Um, these are this is fiber, glutamine, and starch that is derived from wet milling. After this process, sieving and grading takes place, where we are doing size-based separation to produce different granulations. The byproducts are corn oil, fiber, gluten that are used in animal feed and starch. These are the products from maize milling: maize flour, cornmeal, corn grits, cornstarch, and corn syrup according to the process, that is wet milling or dry milling, that we are doing. Now let's discuss about wheat milling. Milling is the process of grinding wheat into flour, we all know. So the first step is cleaning. In cleaning, we are removing dirt, stones, and unwanted particles from screens and magnets. Next step is conditioning. Here also it is really important because it adds moisture to toughen bran, making it easier to separate. Next is grinding, milling. We have two types of rollers, that is break rollers or reduction rollers. In break rollers, we break open the grain. It separates endosperm, bran, and germ. And after this, reduction roller are used to reduce these endosperm particles into fine flour. The wheat passes through roller mills that crush it into smaller particles, and in modern mills, we are using up to 20 different rollers for perfect flour consistency. After the grinding process, the sieving process takes place where the flour is sifted to separate different textures, coarse, bran, fine flour, and everything in between. And there you have it, the journey from wheat grain to flour. So, after this process, purification is done. It removes bran and impurities, improving the flour quality. The byproducts are bran germ that can be used in animal feed and oil extraction. These are the products from wheat milling, that is whole wheat flour, semolina that can be used for pasta, refined wheat flour for bakery products, and wheat germ and bran that is high in fiber and nutrients. It can be used in cereals and animal feed. Now let's compare the milling processes. So in rice milling, we will focus on removing the husk and bran for white rice. And for maize milling, we will use either dry or wet methods to produce a variety of products. In wheat milling, we will focus on flour production with specialized equipment for bran and germ separation. I hope the difference is clear. Now let's discuss about the importance of milling. So in milling, we are transforming the cereal into valuable products with extended shelf life and varied applications. So for each cereal, we have unique milling methods suited to their structures and product needs. It also depends on whether what are the derived products we want. Like in milling, if we will use wet milling method, we can derive different products, and if we will use dry milling method, then the products will be different. So it totally depends on the need of customer and the characteristics of products they want. So now I think it is clear to you all that each grain has its own unique milling process, and turning raw grains into delicious usable products is what milling is. If you found this interesting, hit like, share, and subscribe for more food science fun. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions or query, you can ask in YouTube comment section, Instagram handle, or mail us on foodtechjourney@gmail.com. Keep spreading the content, guys, and help us in reaching the ones in need. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.